Hi friends, this is your plant lover Neil and you are watching Plants My Love. In today's video, I'll show you how I propagated my chilies using layering. Layering is another type of vegetative propagation. It's something like cutting but a bit different. Unlike cutting where we separate the branch that we'll be propagating from the mother plant, in layering we first grow roots on the branch and then we separate it. So that's the main difference. As always, I'll show you step by step how I've done it, and there'll be an update video for the progress of this layering methods. The link for that will be down in the video description if I've already posted it. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay friends, this is my chili pepper plant. You can see how nicely it has come. So the idea is this will be an experiment. I've never done this before. I'll be trying to do a air layering. So because basically you can see this stem. So there are multiple nodes over here. You can see this is one node, this is the second node. So what I'll do is I'll use the second node for my propagation. I'll be adding a plastic bag over here. I'll cut this branch and then add a plastic bag over here, and I'll add a inert growing medium. You can use anything like cocoa peat, peat moss or sphagnum moss, anything which is inert. I'll be using perlite. You can see over here, this is the growing medium that I'll be using. I'll also be using some rooting hormone. This will increase the chances of root development, and also when the root starts developing, it will also increase the speed of the root growth. So let's start the process. I've got all the materials here. It will require some kind of string. I'll be using this plastic twine. This is the plastic bag. I would suggest you use a transparent plastic bag so that you know when the roots have started developing. Then you will also need some staples. This is to seal the plastic bag, and of course you'll need some pair of scissors. So let's start it. First we will prepare the plant for air layering. I will create multiple layers. I'll select this branch and then this branch also, and let's say one more. 3 air layering I'll try. Let's see out of the 3 how many come successfully. Let's first prepare this branch. First I'll have to cut this branch from here like this. There. Now we can remove this leaf also like that. Now that is good. Now I'll apply the rooting hormone directly on the node area. This will, like this you can do, or you can use a paint brush. Simply just you have to apply this. This is a powdered rooting hormone. If you got a liquid rooting hormone, you can use a paint brush. You can see this much would be good enough. You just have to dabble it. Now we'll prepare the plastic bag here. So okay friends, I have to change the scissors because that was blunt. So let's do this. And there. Okay, so this is the transparent bag. Let's see that it fits. Yeah, like this. We'll go around like this, and I'll tie it from here and from here. So let's first staple it in, join it from the bottom. Like this would be good. Staple it over here. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'll tie it from the bottom, and then we'll start filling it up. This. You can do air layering in any climate. So I'm doing it in the summer season, and obviously you should do when the plant is not in a stress condition. When the plant is growing nicely, then you should perform it. And if there are any flowers or any buds on the stem that is over here, then you should remove them so that it can concentrate on root development. Okay, you can see here we created a nice pocket for adding our rooting medium. Be sure to tighten it up. Okay, so we'll slowly fill this up. Make sure to moisten it thoroughly so that the water starts coming out from the bottom. You can see it's completely moist. Okay. I think we'll have to use some kind of spoon. It will be much easier if I use a spoon. Okay friends, I brought a spoon. That way it will be easier for me to fill this in like this. Scoop it in. Yeah, like that. Some of them will fall. Can use a smaller spoon, smaller scoop for that matter. Like this. Okay. And gently tap it so that it settles at the bottom. You have to make a tight fit. So there is a good humid rooting environment. Okay, like this. And tap it down. You can see it's completely filled over here. You also have to seal it up, so make sure to keep a little bit of space so that you can tie it up like this. Make sure to bring the branch in the middle. Yeah, that is good enough. Now we will tie it up. There. Nice, perfect. You can provide this branch a bit of support if it's too much sagging. Let's see how well this air layering starts off. The same way I'll do for the remaining 3 branches. Normally this method is performed on fruit trees. In that the bark is get removed. Basically girdling is done. The outer layer of the bark, that is the cambium layer, that is removed. This is not a very thick branch. You don't need to perform that step in for chilies. They will start rooting without girdling. We'll also tie it over here so that the node area has got nice contact with the growing medium.
Okay friends, this is the end result. As you can see, we have done the air layering for all the three branches. I'll post an update video of the results for this air layering step, so stay tuned and keep watching Plants My Love. Don't forget to subscribe it to get notified as soon as we upload the update video for this experiment. It should take around 1 month for the chili plants to develop roots by air layering. So hopefully you'll see the update video in about 1 month's time. Thanks for watching friends. See you later. Bye.